Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your expertise with Skillshare, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your expertise with Skillshare, start by creating an account on the platform. Visit the Skillshare website and click on the sign up button. Choose an option to sign up using your email or a social media account. Once registered, explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its layout. Navigate to the Create section, which is where you will build your course. Identify your area of expertise and determine the unique value you can offer. Research existing courses in your niche to understand market demand and competition. Outline your course content, breaking it down into understandable modules or lessons. Consider the optimal length for each lesson, aiming for clarity and engagement. Gather the necessary resources such as visuals, scripts, and presentation materials. Set up a suitable recording space with good lighting and minimal background noise. Select a camera and microphone that will produce clear audio and video quality. Record your lessons, maintaining an enthusiastic and engaging tone. Edit your videos to improve flow and remove any mistakes. Add graphics or text overlays to reinforce key points and enhance understanding. Upload your final videos to Skillshare, following their guidelines for course content. Craft an engaging course title and description that clearly communicates what students will learn. Set an appropriate price for your course, considering your audience and value offered. Promote your course on your social media channels and professional networks. Engage with students by answering questions and gathering feedback after the course launch. Continuously update and improve your course content based on student input and market trends. Monitor your course performance through Skillshare Analytics to assess student engagement. Use insights from your course data to refine your teaching strategy and grow your audience. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your expertise on Skillshare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.